Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. So today we're doing BITONA. This was created by Yugo Oashai. They are CZT, and apologies if I pronounce your name wrong. Let's see, we are on episode 17. So, BITONA. Let's see, BITONA. See, and then YOKO. And last name's OHASHI. They are CZT. And this is episode 17. All right, this is a super cute one. I think you guys are gonna love this one. So what we're gonna start to do is we're gonna do this teardrop shape. And I'm gonna start mine in the corner right here. So you're just gonna come around. Like I said, this cute little teardrop shape right here. And then next, what you want to do is think of this like we're gonna draw a plus sign. So we're gonna do here, and then come over here. All right, and then next we're gonna do another teardrop shape on this side. But we're gonna come from the top here. So just down and around like so, and then here we're gonna invert it. So the point's gonna be right here. And then next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna make another teardrop shape. And again, we're gonna use our space here. We're gonna come up and around. And then we're gonna do the same thing again with the plus. We're gonna make our plus sign right here. Make a teardrop shape. And then our inverted teardrop shape. Just like that. And then just keep doing that, alternating. You could do another one here. I'm gonna do one right here. Do another plus sign. You want to give it a little bit of a, flair. You can do that too. There's definitely a lot of cute patterns that you can do with this shape. You could, put little dots at the end of these. You could, do a couple lines out. You could do patterns inside. There is all sorts of things that you can do with this pattern. And then of course, you can make it your own. You just keep going, or you can make like a chain. I think I'm gonna make like a little chain with mine right here. And this is like the perfect, dual pattern for notebooks. Because you just keep going. And there you have it. So cute, super easy Zentangle for you guys. Hope you enjoyed. I'll see you next time.